Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will start our lesson number 2, the Southern Plateau. But before starting the lesson, first we will learn its new words. So let's start. Number 1, Plateau. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. Plateau means an area of land higher than land surrounding to it. प्लेट्यू का मतलब होता है पठार. नंबर 2, मिनरल्स. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स मीन a solid naturally occurring inorganic substance. मिनरल्स का मतलब होता है खनिज पदार्थ. नंबर 3, रॉकी. R-O-C-K-Y. रॉकी. रॉकी मीन्स फुल ऑफ रॉक्स. रॉकी का मतलब होता है चट्टान वाला या पथरीला. नंबर 4, अनइवन. U-N-E-V-E-N. अनइवन. अनइवन मीन्स नॉट इक्वल. अनइवन का मतलब होता है असमतल. नंबर 5, फ्लैटलैंड. F-L-A-T. फ्लैट. L-A-N-D. लैंड. फ्लैटलैंड मीन्स लैंड विथ नो हिल्स. फ्लैटलैंड का मतलब होता है समतल भूमि. नंबर 6, सराउंडिंग. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G. सराउंडिंग. सराउंडिंग मीन्स ऑल राउंड अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. सराउंडिंग का मतलब होता है आसपास. नंबर 7, कोल. C-O-A-L. कोल. कोल मीन्स अ ब्लैक और डार्क ब्राउन रॉक. कोल का मतलब होता है कोयला. नंबर 8, आयरन. I-R-O-N. आयरन. आयरन मीन्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हार्ड मैग्नेटिक सिल्वरी ग्रे मेटल. आयरन का मतलब होता है लोहा. नंबर 9, कोल माइन. C-O-A-L. कोल. M-I-N-E. माइन. कोल माइन मीन्स एन एक्सकावेशन इन द अर्थ फॉर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग कोल. कोल माइन का मतलब होता है कोयले की खाने. नंबर 10, अरेबियन सी. A-R-A-B-I-A-N. अरेबियन. S-E-A-C. Arabian Sea is the region of the Northern Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea यानी अरब सागर. नंबर 11, कैपिटल. C-A-P-I-T-A-L. कैपिटल. Capital means the city that functions as the seat of the government. कैपिटल का मतलब होता है राजधानी. नंबर 12, wheat. W-H-E-A-T. wheat. Wheat is a cereal. wheat का मतलब होता है गेहूं. नंबर 13, maize. M-A-I-Z-E. maize. maize is a Central American cereal plant. maize का मतलब होता है मक्का या मकई. नंबर 14, pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. pulses is the edible seed from a legume plant. pulses का मतलब होता है दालें. नंबर 15, spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. spices. Spices are an aromatic vegetable substance used to flavor food. Spices का मतलब होता है मसाले. नंबर 16, Carnatic music. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-C. Carnatic. M-U-S-I-C. music. Carnatic music is a music style in the South Indian language. Carnatic music एक साउथ इंडियन भाषा में म्यूजिक का प्रकार है. नंबर 17, ऑक्यूपेशन. O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. ऑक्यूपेशन. ऑक्यूपेशन मीन्स अ जॉब और प्रोफेशन. ऑक्यूपेशन का मतलब होता है नौकरी. नंबर 18, ट्रायंगुलर. T-R-I-A-N-G-U-L-A-R. ट्रायंगुलर. ट्रायंगुलर मीन्स शेप्ड लाइक अ ट्रायंगल. ट्रायंगुलर का मतलब होता है त्रिकोणीय. Now students, you have to write all these new words in your notebook.
Chapter 2. The Southern Plateau. A plateau is a flat land that is higher than the land surrounding it. It is called a tableland. To the south of the northern plains lies the vast southern plateau of India. It is triangular in shape. The southern plateau covers a large part of the country. The land here is rocky and uneven. The southern plateaus are surrounded by hill ranges on all sides. The Aravalli Hills are in the northwest. The Rajmahal Hills are in the northeast. The Eastern Ghats in the east. The Western Ghats in the west. The southern plateau region is divided into two parts by the Narmada River. These two parts are Central Highlands in the north, Deccan Plateau in the south. Most of the rivers in the southern plateau are not as large as those in the northern plains, but they flow with great speed. Central Highlands. The Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. It is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhya Range in the south. This region is rich in black soil, which is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. Some of the rivers of the Central Highlands join the Ganga and the Yamuna from the south. Chambal, Betwa and Son are some of these rivers. The Chota Nagpur Plateau includes much of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. This region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, manganese, bauxite and mica. Some important coal mines are in Giridih, Jharia and Raniganj. Bokaro and Bhilai are India's largest steel plants. Some important cities are Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Narmada River. It is surrounded by the western and eastern Ghats. These Ghats meet each other at the Nilgiri Hills. It covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Anamudi is the highest peak. The western Ghats include Sahyadri, Nilgiris, Anamalai and Cardamom Hills. There are a number of rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, which flow from west to east and fall into the Bay of Bengal. The Narmada and Tapi rivers flow from east to west and fall into the Arabian Sea. Life in the region. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Other big cities include Gwalior, Indore and Jabalpur. Pachmadi is a hill station. The state is rich in black soil, which is good for growing cotton. Wheat, soybean and millets are grown here. Large area in Madhya Pradesh is covered with forests. It has several wildlife parks such as Kanha and Bandhavgarh. Madhya Pradesh is famous for Khajuraho temples, Chanderi and Maheshwari saris and Buddhist stupa of Sanchi. Hindi is the major language spoken here. Tapi, Chambal and Narmada are the rivers of Madhya Pradesh. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh was formed on 1st November 2000. Rice, linseed, betel and watermelon are grown here. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. The state is very rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, aluminium ore and diamonds. The northern and southern parts of the state are hilly, while the central part is fertile plain. Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. It was formed in the year 2000. Jharkhand is rich in minerals and forest resources. Major food crops are rice, wheat, maize and pulses. It has 2 steel plants, one at Bokaro and the other at Jamshedpur. Odisha. Odisha, formerly Orissa, is known for its tribal culture. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Rice and jute are the main crops of Odisha. Oriya is the widely spoken language. Odisha is famous for Rath Yatra at Puri and for its textile and silver work. It has Chandaka Elephant Sanctuary and Simplipal National Park. Maharashtra. Maharashtra occupies a major portion of the southern plateau. Its capital is Mumbai, and people of Maharashtra speak Marathi. Some other important cities of Maharashtra are Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Sholapur. Some tourist attractions of this state are the Gateway of India, the Ajanta and Ellora caves, Sri Siddhivinayak Temple, Sri Sai Baba Sansthan Temple, etc. Black soil of Maharashtra is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and millets. Mangoes, oranges and bananas are also grown here. Mumbai is also the biggest center for film production in India. Lavani is the popular dance form.
Tamasha, a kind of dance drama, is very popular in the state.
Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Diwali and Gudi Padwa are the festivals of Maharashtra. Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, which is referred as the IT capital of India. Other big cities of the state are Mysore, Hubli, Mangalore and Dharwad. Krishna and Kaveri are the two important rivers. Most people are farmers. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. The state is the leading producer of coffee. Teak and sandalwood are its well-known forest products. The people of Karnataka speak Kannada. This state is famous for its Carnatic music. Jog Falls in Mysore are the highest waterfall in India. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of both the states. Telangana is the 29th state of India. Krishna and Godavari are the main rivers. The chief occupation of the people is agriculture. They grow rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. People speak Telugu. Charminar, Salarjung Museum, Hussain Sagar Lake and Golconda Fort are the famous tourist attractions of Andhra Pradesh. Pongal, Ugadi and Sankranti are the popular festivals of the state. This state is famous for its Bidri work. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. This state is famous for its temples. Agriculture is the main occupation. The important crops grown here are sugarcane, groundnuts, oilseeds, cotton, banana and spices. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Tamil is the main language spoken. The silk saris of Kanchipuram are very famous. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the harvest festival of the state. Meenakshi Temple, Venkateshwara Temple and Rameshwaram are world-famous temples. Now I know. The southern plateau is triangular in shape and the land is rocky and uneven. River Narmada divides the plateau region into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. It covers parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. This plateau has several rivers and waterfalls. This region is rich in minerals and has many industries.